Good morning, have a nice day. I hope you all are doing well. Now we are going to learn modal verbs. These modal verbs are widely used in speaking and writing. Modal auxiliary verbs are those helping verbs after which we always use base form of verb. Base form of verb is also called first form of verb. These helping verbs are different than the ordinary helping verb. Therefore, they are called modal auxiliary verb. Modal auxiliary verbs have their own meaning. They talk about offers. If someone offers you for something, suggestion, getting from your friends, group of your friends, advice, getting from your father, mother, elders, your mentor, your teachers, obligation, logical conclusion, permission, asking for something, ability means skills. If you have any one or more skills, possibility and orders. Following are the modal verbs: shall, should, must, ought to, can, could, may, might. These are the modal verbs. Shall. You cannot translate into your own language, your mother language, such as Urdu, Arabic, Bengali language, Hindi language, and so on. You should not translate or meaning in your own language. Shall. We use shall as a modal auxiliary verb only in interrogative sentences with this subject I and we. It is used for asking any offer or taking any suggestion. It is used for asking any offer or taking any suggestion. Example number 1. How shall we improve English? Listen to me carefully. How shall we improve English? अगर मैं ये कहता हूँ कि हम अपनी इंग्लिश कैसे इम्प्रूव करें, तो ये उर्दू में मीनिंग या इंग्लिश में या फिर सॉरी उर्दू में, हिंदी में, बंगाली लैंग्वेज में, इसमें आप ओन मीनिंग नहीं निकालेंगे। शेल को हम शेल की ही तरह पढ़ेंगे, जस्ट फॉर आस्किंग एंड टेकिंग एनी सजेशन। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. Shall we dine out tonight? Asking. Example number 3. Shall we go for shopping tonight? Example number 4. How shall I go with you? Example number 5. In example number 5, this is the situation. I am giving the party tomorrow. Tomorrow means coming day because I have completely done metric. Shall Alicia go party tomorrow? You should attend the party because I'm extremely happy. Situational. Now, should and ought to. We use should best form of verb or ought to plus first form of verb. Best form of verb and first form of verb are the same. To talk about any obligation or duty, ought to is formal, then should, but ought to is not used in modern English. In simple words, in your understanding, should is used in modern English, ought to is old fashioned. Example number 1. Teacher should conduct the classes regularly. टीचर्स को रेगुलरली क्लासेस लेनी चाहिए. Example number 2. We should not tell a lie with anyone. हमें किसी के साथ भी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Example number 3. Students should not show up in the class. Example number 4. Usama ought to stop students speaking Urdu language, Hindi language, Bengali language, and Arabic language. Example number 5. Imran should not talk to Sarah in the class. Example number 6. We ought to go to Disney's Typhoon Water Park. Disney's Typhoon Water Park is in the USA. Example number 7. I ought to improve English. Also, I can say I should improve English. Example number 8. Jenny is a girl. She ought to come in the class on time. Example number 9. I should not believe in anyone. मुझे हर किसी पे बिलीव नहीं करना चाहिए. Example number 10. Ali should not waste your time because 3 months are very important. Example number 11. Sam. Sam is the name. Sam should not scold her sister. Sam को अपनी बहन को डांटना नहीं चाहिए. Example number 12. You are an officer, so you should do your duty. Example number 13. Kamal is a student, so he should work hard for his examination. Kamal is a boy, so we use he, not she, and her is used for a girl. His, His, his is used for male voice. Example number 14. Sir is angry with the students, so they should come in time. In time means come before exact time. Example number 15. I want my students become good speakers, so they should work hard to improve their English skills. English skills means four skills. Number one, speaking. Number two, writing. Number three, listening. Number four, reading. These are the core skills in English language. Thank you so much. If you have any question, so you can ask me. I will comment. And if you want to join my classes, you can contact me. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.